The Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just pay attention to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the command section, and then click the Confirm option. With the indicator running on the chart, an oscillator window will open at the bottom of the chart for us. The Schaff Trend Indicator calculates the stochastic using MACD data. In the settings under the Input section, there are several options available. The first part relates to the display settings, which includes a specific theme or template for the indicator that has 3 sections: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, which is the template that is on my chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is chosen, and by selecting the custom option, it retains your customized template and only displays the indicator on the chart. The next section relates to the indicator settings. The first part is the Schaff Trend period settings, or the stochastic period settings. The next part includes the fast-moving average period settings and the slow-moving average period settings, which are related to the MACD indicator. The stochastic calculations are based on MACD. Here, I will select the dark template and then click the Confirm option. Now, the dark template has been applied to my chart, and the Schaff Trend indicator is placed at the bottom of the chart. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.